At the beginning of this year, I decided to put $5 a day, every single day, into Vanguard's VOO S&P 500 ETF and another $5 a day into Ethereum cryptocurrency. And little did I know that year to date, I'd be down, as of the recording of this video, 23.06% in VOO and a staggering 71.29% in Ethereum. So basically, all the haters are going to say, what a dummy. But I'm actually going to show you, if we would have reversed this back 5 years ago, how we could have made $1 million with $5 a day. Brace yourself, put the lap bar down, and you ready to get started? Don't be dumb. Tap the thumb. Let's get right to it. Inspired by The Latte Factor, which is a book that you can get actually over on Amazon. I'll include the link in the description below. It talks about the fact that if you would have invested $5 a day into the stock market for 40 years, you could have generated over $1 million. This does not mean that you have to be rich, some wealthy hedge fund or some wealthy person that makes millions of dollars a year in order to be rich. You just gotta kind of break it down and eat the elephant one bite at a time. So in order to make it fun for YouTube and for what we talk about here on the channel, I decided to let me do that. Let me put $5 a day into VOO and Ethereum. This year is a terrible year to start that game because this year we have seen nothing but market decline, both in stocks and crypto. Now, the reason for that, as you've seen all over the news, is the fact that we have high inflation, historically high inflation, that we haven't seen in 40 years. Baked on top of that is the Fed's response of rising interest rates. When they rise interest rates, that puts a lot of pressure on the market. The last time this happened was actually in 2018. And 2018 is the year that I'm kicking myself that I did not go more strong on my investments. And if I would have done that, man, I would have been so much further ahead, especially in cryptocurrency. We have another chance to do it right now here in 2022. Now, sure, recession could still continue to go deeper and deeper than it already is, but we want to see what happens, and we want to see what happens over the long period of time. So right here, as you see on seekingalpha.com, here is the Ethereum price as we speak. $1,100. But look at the year-to-date ticker right there, 71% down. Now, of course, we can be cute and say, let's look at the 5-year. Oh, look at that, up 240+%. Oh, that's so good, isn't it? But let's be realistic. We're down 70% on our money. If we go over to VOO, though, year-to-date, 23% down. In a year, 12% down. In 5 years, we are still up 50%. So again, when in doubt, zoom out. So let's take a look, though, on what the current holdings are for the YouTube portfolio. As I told you at the beginning of the year, every single day, $5 into VOO, $5 into Ethereum. So here we are on VOO. Now, the reason I'm using the Robinhood app is they allow you to do automatic investment. Every single day, they invest $5 for me into both of these funds. So $10 a day, all I have to do is load up the cash, put it on a recurrent investment, and I don't have to worry about it. It just makes it super easy. So if we go down here, right now my market value is at $742.76. You know, the funny thing about that, outside of the fact that I lost money, is the fact that you can go ahead and just sock away $5 a day, and here we are 6 months later and we have $700. Who would have thought? But on top of that, I now have 2.19 shares of VOO, but I am down 14.28%. Now that's a big difference. If we look back here to Seeking Alpha on the year to date, it says down 23% year to date. Why am I only down 14%? Well, that is the beauty of dollar cost averaging. What would happen is that if you would have came in, like if I would have taken all my money that I've invested so far into VOO, and I invested it all on the very first day of the stock market, which was actually on January 3rd, 2022, the price would have been right about, look at that, $439.25. So that means all of my money would be down so much more, but because I'm buying it every single day, I get to enjoy the ups and downs of the market. So as it falls down here to, let's say, 405, I'm buying $5. It comes back up to 415, I'm buying $5 worth. It falls all the way down here to 357. Guess what I'm doing? Yeah, I'm buying $5 worth. And because of that, that brings my average cost per share down. The purpose of the latte factor, the purpose of why we're talking about this, is it easy to do. I mean, think about it. You don't have to be a millionaire. You don't have to make $100,000 a year. You don't have to have $500,000 sacked away in a bank account that you can put all your money onto VOO or Tesla or something like that. $5 a day. And all you have to do is find the stock, the ETF, or the crypto that you're most passionate about. This is not financial advice to buy VOO and Ethereum. This is encouragement that you go do your own research and find what works best for you. $5 is easy to find every single day. And the idea behind the book is you don't buy the lattes anymore. Instead, you take that money and you put it into the stock market. The question begs though, even though I'm showing you a very terrible thing, down $100+ and then down over $400 on Ethereum so far this year, I look like a complete clown, do I not? I mean, who sits here on a finance YouTube channel and says, I'm down $400 on Ethereum and I'm down $100 on VOO year to date in 2022? Subscribe, like, and follow. What a dummy, right? But hold on. This is only year one. I plan on keeping this going for a long period of time, and let me show you some very cool visualizations right here on Portfolio Visualizer. If from 2016 to 2021, that's only 5 years. So hang on, put the lap bar down for 5 years. $5 a day, 5 years. What would happen if I invested 100% into VOO? Let's take a look. I'm gonna come down here, I'm gonna click Analyze Portfolio, and look what happens. Your balance at the end of 2021 would be $20,954. Now, if you're sitting there and you're like, I don't have $20,000. Well, that's the whole point. Start investing today and make it bite-sized chunks and just make it consistent, and don't even worry about the money. Don't sell it. If it crashes, I'm down 400+, you saw that. You just keep going with it and look what happens. You got $20,000, but it gets better, it gets better. Let's talk about $1 million. Here's what I'm gonna do. Same time scale, 2016 to 2021, $5 a day, which is $152 a month, and we're going to now look at Ethereum. So my idea would be is if I can keep this up for 5 years, and if history repeats itself, which we don't know what's gonna happen. We don't have a crystal ball in front of us. We don't know if the market's gonna repeat what it did before, or if it's gonna keep going down, down, down into hell. We'll see what happens. But let's pretend that it's 2016 and we're gonna move forward. So same thing, $5 a day for the next 5 years. Analyze portfolios. Look at the freaking difference, my friend. Oh my God, look at this. $5 and Ethereum grows to $1,098,264. Oh my God. Now, the smart thing would be is at the end of 2021, when the market is absolutely high, everybody's greedy, and you're on the verge of a major reset, which is what we're going through now, I might have paper-handed that and sold out and kept my million and maybe reinvested it somewhere else. I don't know. What would you have done? Comment down below and let me know. But if you think about this, $5 a day, who was out there paying $5 a day into Ethereum? And if you were, that means at the end of 2021, you were a freaking bloody millionaire. You should be proud of yourself. But all it took was a decision to stay consistent and keep going forward. That's the whole period. And by the way, the latte factor, they don't even know I'm talking about this book. I just figured this is just a great way that we started in 2022. I wanted to give you an update on my VOO and Ethereum portfolio, as I promised you I would throughout the course of this year, let you know that it looks absolutely awful, but that there's a reason behind my decision. And that is kind of what we're looking for. That's the game plan. If I only end up with $20,000 5 years from now, I'm chilling. It was $5 a day I didn't need. If I end up with $1 million, let's go get a beer. You get what I'm saying? So make sure you subscribe so you can continue to either laugh at how much money I'm losing on my $5 a day investment, or you can be inspired by someday when I go positive, hopefully, on this account. Now, if you want to get Robinhood, there's a link down in the description below. They're giving you a free stock, but I want to share with you how exactly to set up the recurring investments. On your Robinhood app, at the very bottom, you'll see a little stick figure person. Click on that stick figure and then click on what we call the hamburger menu at the very top left-hand side. It's like blue and it has 3 lines. Click on that and then click on where it says investing. After it says investing, scroll all the way down to where it says reoccurring investments, and it'll say view the reoccurring investments. You click on that, and the recurring investments right now, as you can see, is VOO and Ethereum every single day, as I've told you I'm doing. But all you have to do is click on create recurring investment, and then find whatever stock, ETF, or cryptocurrency you're most passionate and you've done your research on. So let's say you want to do something like Tesla. You could invest $5, $10, $100, $1,000 a day into Tesla, whatever it is. And then that's how you set up your recurring investment. So you could do every market day, every week, every 2 weeks, or every month, depending on how much money you want to put in to the account. And then you have the decision. You can either fund your Robinhood account with the money and then just have it eat away at that cash account, or you can have it link up to your bank account and then they'll pull that money out. I wouldn't recommend every day pulling out of your bank account. To me, that just feels weird. But if you set it on a cadence of every 2 weeks or every month, that's your decision. It'll pull out of your bank account automatically and invest it, and you don't even have to lift a finger. That's the beauty of why I'm using this particular app for this particular portfolio. Now, of course, as you know, I have 4,658 different apps because that's what I do. But this one, I gotta give Robinhood a shout out because this does make it pretty darn easy. That's it for today's short video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe for more. Check out this video next. We'll see you on the next video.